Namaskaram, Nenu Mansi Gulati. Today we are going to do yoga for beginners, yoga for everyone. It's very easy and very simple. We are starting with Chalana Kriya. Chalana Kriya are the warm-ups, loosening up your body. It increases the micro-circulation in your body. So it's very easy. It will help you. It is just a warm-up, Chalana Kriya we called it. So we'll start. First, join your hands. Okay. Now we are starting with rotation of shoulder. Okay. Just reverse. Relax. It's very easy, Chalana Kriya. Now straighten your hands. Rotate. It is very good for the frozen shoulder. Movement is always important. We can walk every day, 30 minutes. Walking is also important. It increases, it boosts your immunity system. Everyone say yoga is slow, but I don't think so. You will understand your body while doing yoga. Just relax now. So this is very good for the frozen shoulder. And we'll tell you one very important. If you have a pain in your shoulder, you can do like this. Exhale. Now third Chalana Kriya. It is also very easy. Stretch. Like a game we are playing, but these are very easy and very good movements for your body. Relax. Do it for 10 counts, 15 counts. Gradually you can increase it. It's very good for your nervous system, for your back, for all the pain. We can release all the pain by doing this simple exercises because it's a micro circulation. It's very easy. Okay, now we'll start. This is all Chalana Kriya, what we did now. Now we'll do sitting asanas. Sitting asanas, first we'll do butterfly pose. That's really very good pose. It will help you to like for a good sleep. You know, people are suffering from sleeping disorder. So this is very easy. Just same, we are sitting in Bhadrasana. Now butterfly pose. Very good for your thighs, for your calves, for your muscular system. Do it for 30 counts. Relax. Just relax yourself. So we'll do other asana. This is also very good asana, sitting asana, Vajra asana. Vajra asana is very good for your digestive system. Keep your hand like this, chin up. Relax. Whenever you eat or drink, please always try to take in sitting position. That is very important because it's very good for your digestive system, for your immune system too. Now we'll tell you other asana. This is also very good asana and it is for your overall body, Sarvangasana. Sarvangasana is a asana is for your all body like Sarvang. सर्व सारे अंगों के लिए ये आसन इट्स वेरी इजी तो विल डू सर्वांगासन फर्स्ट lie down in Shavasana. So we are doing Sarvangasana, Bend your knees, straighten your legs first, 90 degree. Now your body, push. Relax. Bend your legs first. Relax. Just straighten your legs again. Shavasana. Relax. This is for the beginners. Very easy asanas. So it's not difficult at all. Now we'll do Dhanurasana. Dhanurasana is also very good asana, is the perfect asana for your back. Usually people, they suffer from the back, so I really don't want you to suffer. Just do yoga with me. Just lie down in Makarasana. Relax yourself first. Okay. Now we'll do Dhanurasana. Hold your feet. Very slowly, come up. Relax. Just bend and relax first. Release. Again, Makarasana. Please don't sleep in Makarasana. Okay, please come up. So we did Dhanurasana, Makarasana. That is good for the beginners. Sarvangasana we did today. Sarvangasana is very good asana. It's for our 12th system of our body. So we'll tell you one very important kriya, Kapalbhati, for the beginners. This is also very easy, but please do it a little slowly. Keep your hand like this. Kapalbhati, it's relaxation. It is the best kriya. It is very good for your blood circulation. Relax. We are not in hurry. Do it slowly. Understand your mind, your breath and body. Dhyan Mudra. We'll do again Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is very good pranayama. It releases all the accumulated fat from your body. So keep your hand here. Relax. This is very important kriya, very important Kapalbhati is for your mind and body. So please do this exercises, this asanas every day and stay healthy, be safe. This is the time of coronavirus. So I just request every person do yoga and don't think about anything. We should not struggle for our health and stay hydrated, drink a lot of water and take food, take proper food, nutrition food, avoid oily food, eat khichdi also. Khichdi is very important. It's very beautiful sattvic bhojan for your body. So this is all the thing we can do. Do yoga with us. We will come again. Thank you.